Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and today I'm going to show you around the Opera House here in Oslo, one of the main meeting points in all of Oslo. Everyone is starting their adventure here, so let's go and I show you around. The Opera House was drawn by world-famous architecture firm Snøhetta. It cost about 45 billion Norwegian kroners and took 5 years to build. The 17th of February 2003, the first sod roof was made. The 12th of April 2008, the opera officially opened. Gross area is 49,000 square meters distributed on about 1,100 rooms. The opera has 3 main stages for opera, ballet and concerts. The Norwegian Opera and Ballet is Norway's biggest music and performing arts institution. The organization has over 600 employees divided by about 50 occupational groups. The Opera House is the first opera house in the world where you can go on the roof and also see a fantastic view over the Oslo fjord and the newly built Opera Beach. The Monk Museum and the Deichman Library that I made videos of before are also easy to see from the rooftop. Let's go and take a look at the rooftop and the beautiful view over the Oslo fjord. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of the Opera House. Welcome to Oslo, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more coming in the future. See you around, guys.